Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends on your Bitget Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To invite friends on Bitget Wallet, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in bitget.com and make a search. The official page of Bitget Wallet's account will appear on the screen. Tap on Login option at the top right corner of the page. Log into your account using your login credentials and the home page of Bitget Wallet's account will appear on the screen. Click on box icon at the top left corner of the page. From the drop down, click on Refer a Friend option. Here you can see referral code as well as referral link displayed on the screen. You can simply copy the link and send it to your friend, or else just tap on Invite option. You can invite your friend through Telegram, Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, and through LinkedIn as well. Tap on Preferred Application to send an invitation. Select a person to whom you would like to invite, and that's how you'll be able to invite friends on Bitget Wallet's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.